Hi friends, this is Uma Shankar. Today we are going to discuss about Oracle Sova database adapter for tables and views. I'm going to create a POC for get the data from source database tables and insert the same records into the target database tables. Let's see the process. I have created two tables for source, two tables for target. Okay. In the first table, you can see the 14 records. In the second table, you can see the 4 records. These two are source tables. In the target table, you can see the 0 records. After execution of this process, data should be deleted from the source tables and insert into the target tables. Let's go to the JDeveloper. Click on File, Project, create a Sova project. Give the project name as master detail sample. Click next. Pick the composite with Beeple process. Click on finish. Okay. Give any name. Select the template type as no service. Click on OK. Okay. Go to the composite. Click on the exposure service. Now we are going to call the database trigger for source tables. Right click, insert database. Give the DB service inbound. Next. Select the poll for new or changed record in a table. Okay. Click on next. Import the table. So our tables are source tables are receive employee, receive DPT, search with receive. Select the two tables. Click on OK. Click on receive DPT. This is our main table. Click on next. You can see the two table structures here. Okay. Delete the record. Select the delete the rows that were read. Okay. Once the data is read from this table, okay, the records will be going to delete it. Click on next. Finish. Now DB adapter is ready to get the data from the source table. Similarly, we are going to create a DB adapter for insert the data into the database table, that is target table. Database. Give the name as target. Click next. Here we are going to perform the insert operation, right? Select the insert or merge. Okay, insert or update. Okay, click on next. Select our tables. Our target tables are sender employee. Search with this sending. Select these two tables. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Finish. So DB adapter ready for insertion. Okay. Now I am going to wire the BPL process with the source DB adapter. Similarly, I am going to wire the BPL process with the target DB adapter. Okay. Now we are going to design the process. Click on the BPL process. Okay. You can move the target to opposite side. So now we are going to use the receive activity to receive the data from source tables. Receive data. Okay. Now we are going to connect with the partner link, that is our source DB adapter. Okay. Here we are going to create a variable to store the source data. Okay. So this variable automatically created. Click on this. Okay. Now you have to select the create instance, otherwise you will get an error. Click on OK. Now we need to invoke the target database adapter to insert the data. You need to use the invoke activity. When you know, right, when you create a invoke, input output parameters created automatically wire to the target table, target DB adapter. Okay, give the name, invoke to DB, click OK. Okay. Save. Now we are going to use the transform activity. I am going to drag and drop the XSLT transformation. Double click, select the source variable. Our source variable is the receive data input variable. Click OK. Click OK. Simultaneously you can select the target variable, apply, OK. Now we are going to transform the data from source to target table. Okay. Let's map the source to target. Click on this OK. Again we are going to map the target employee table also. Here we are going to map the two tables. Okay. So mapping is done. Save the transformation. Okay. Now our project is ready. Now I am going to deploy this project. Master detail example, master detail sample. Click next. So just wait for 2 seconds. It will show the integrated WebLogic server. Click next. Finish. Now our deployment process completed. Let's move to the enterprise console. Okay. Our project name is master detail example. Let's master detail example. Go to the master detail example. Click on the project. Go to flow instances. Search with the flow. Okay, you can see the flow ID. It is process is completed. Okay, let's go to the tables. Check the source tables. See the tables. Data is deleted successfully. Go to the target tables. Data is inserted successfully. So this is the process where we can get the data from the source tables and insert into the target tables. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please share your reviews.